Ngasi RIMS Imphal College of Nursing amadi Breastfeeding Promotion Alliance of Manipur BPAM ga punna sinduna World Breastfeeding Week 2026 ki Thouram RIMS Hospital ki OPD complex ta Pangthokkhre special manthan on kayakalp ki makha da pangthokhiba Thouram aduda breastfeeding asi mama amadi pikliba macha sing da khangdaba yadraba ithau amani haiba OPD da leiriba person amadi attendant sing da taki.
As a family member, be it the father, be it the grand, be it aunt or auntie or anyone, we need to make it sure that a newborn should be given this breastfeeding. Adugi strength to chalagadi, I think rest is done. Automatically breastfeeding with Toragadi and then say Dr. Pratimana Pazava calculation the Koichahim Lama saved Tony and a Pazana Tambigre. So that's a huge money for a society like us. कोई था मदल लिसिंग तरह तरह चंगे ना प्रतिमागी calculation अमा तो उगरे अदु अकोई ना सही अमा नी तो save तो दो is a big number and if you can save for the child then that be good saving for the family also अदु ना अकोई में हम पुना मग as a part of this RIMS big family faculty nursing security anyone need to give this information public ta कोई खंगा चाना पर family सिंग दा breastfeeding सी Talk the Basway, I have been